DJT stock tomorrow. Monday, is it a bar or not? This is going to be 1st of April. I'm giving you in this 1 minute video my exact technical analysis, buy and sell levels, and all this good stuff. So DJT stock analysis and onward. So Trump Media and Technology Group stock, very bullish myself, right? Because I'm really trying to milk the most that I can out of this DJT stock and approach. Very like this is pretty much like the exact price action of the WAC, and that's the case here. If you didn't already know, like it kind of got just named after it, but with DJT, like I was very bullish myself, like with the WAC, excuse me. I'm gonna show you how my exact approach looked like in my past video, and here's the video. Right, you can see how it looked like. Right, this was 15-minute chart, very bullish, very bullish. Like this is the kind of my hard time frame. Like at that point when I made this video, the price was like somewhere around this area, somewhere around here, somewhere around this area or here somewhere, and then after that, like just completely flew off exactly as expected. What's next? I mean, I'm honestly, if I really want to take this thing even higher, those are going to be the highs. I'm going to mark out some demand areas, but it doesn't mean that I cannot be taking advantage of the price, even if this price is right here. So for me, if I really want to take it higher from here, the price will need to just give me a double break accumulation for me to be bullish. But only if this happens am I actually going to consider something to the bullish side. For more value, check out the first link in the description.